Welcome to this GCSE Maths Revision video on reverse percentages. This question is an example of a reverse percentages question because we are told the sale price and we need to go back to calculate the normal price. Before you do this video, you should make sure that you can calculate percentages of amounts and that you've watched the video on compound interest as well. Let's have a look at some of the key points on reverse percentages. When you do reverse percentages, you do not start with 100% because you're going in reverse to find 100%. You must find the percentage of the original amount that you are given. If it's a sale, you are likely to be told less than 100%. If it's a price increase or an investment, you're likely to be told more than 100%. This is the calculation that we need to follow to find the original amount. You do the new amount divided by the percentage that you are given. This will give me what 1% is worth. Then we times by 100 to get 100%. Let's have a look at a reverse percentages question. In a sale, normal prices are reduced by 20%. The sale price of the saddle was £220, calculate the normal price. So I need to find what percentage 220 actually represents. So it's 100%, take away the sale, which was 20%, which gives me 80%. So £220 represents 80% of the original price. So my calculation is £220 divided by 80. This will give me 1% and times by 100 to get the original amount. So that's my calculator. 220 divided by 80 gives me £2.75. This is 1%. And times by 100 gives me £275. To check my answer, I could find 20% of £275 to make sure that this gets me back to 220, which clearly it does. Here's another reverse percentages question. This time, prices are reduced by 15% and the sale price is £102. So it's 100%, take away the sale, which is 15%, which gives me 85%. So £102 is 85% of the original price. So it's 102 divided by 85 to find 1% and times 100. So £102 divided by 85 gives me £1.20 times 100, which means the CD player was originally £120. Here's an example of a price increase. The price has gone up to £121.60. It's gone up by 4%. So 100% plus 4% is 104%. So we do £121.60 divided by 104 and times 100. With this question here, we need to be really careful not to round mid-working, because what happens is we get 1.169230769. So I've kept that exactly as it is, times it by 100, got £116.92. Notice this is less than the new price because the price has increased. Here is one for you to do. Press pause while you have a go. And here is the solution. We're told 75% of the price of the saw, so £12.75 divided by 75 gives me 17 pence times 100 to get £17. I hope that was informative on reverse percentages. Bye for now.